Right guys, welcome back to AQUARIUM More. Hi, how you doing? So if this is what I think it is, we should have a package at our front door. Let's go and have a look. Turn the camera around. Let me have a look a minute. Aquatics has sent us a parcel. So let's go and open it and see what's going on. So guys, I'm back in here now by the fish tank, and let's open this and see what we have. I would show you guys the logo, but my address is on it, so let's open it. Right, so let's have a look and see what we got. We've got snowflake food, shrimp food, this is for plecos and that. So we've got, as you can tell, guys, as you can see, we've got pleco in there, so that gets done lovely with that.
It's a cute card.
Cute little card. We have mineral blocks. And we have aquatic cookies. Every fish's favourite treat. Best before 6 months after purchase. These are all homemade products. I'll show you their logo now. Let me get rid of my address. That's their address. Their website, their Instagram and Facebook will be linked in the description and on the page as well. And yeah, and their eBay page. They only sell off eBay at the moment, so make sure you guys go over and support them. Yeah, so thank you to Callum at Aquatics for sending us these to try. So what we'll do, we can try some up. Shall we try? What should we try? Every fish's favourite. So should we try one of these? And see if our stitchers like it. Let's do a live feeding then on this video as well then. And it smells alright as well. It smells like fish food.
Like that.
Food. You got this food, you got that food, and you have that food. Make sure you go over and check their eBay page out. Yeah, and show them some love and purchase some food. Make sure you give this video a good thumbs up, like and subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and we'll see you in the next one.